How to scan products using the new Awaken180 app. First, navigate to the home page in your app. Tap on the Log Food button. Select the type of meal to which the scan item should be added. Tap the plus icon on the far right side of each meal type. Select the time you had your meal by sliding the numbers up or down. Then tap the Confirm button below. You will be redirected to the Select Meal page. Tap the barcode icon located at the far right of the search bar at the top of the page. Align the product barcode within the camera's viewfinder to begin scanning. Tip number 1. Ensure the barcode is well lit and fits within the frame or guidelines shown on your screen. Tip number 2. Move your device closer or farther to make sure the entire barcode is within the scanning area. Tip number 3. Hold your device steady to allow the scanner to focus and read the barcode properly. Then, tap the Submit Scan Barcode button below. Once the barcode is scanned, the app will display the product information on the screen, including the product name, nutritional facts, description, and other relevant details. You can add this item to your meal by checking the box and tapping the Add to Log button below. If you have questions and inquiry about this topic, contact us at 413-307-3758 or email us at support@awaken180weightloss.com. Thank you.